Hello guys, welcome to the DSA playlist by 2am Coder. In this video we are going to talk about linear search. In my previous video we have talked about binary search where the time complexity was big O of log n, which is much faster than the linear search, and whereas linear search time complexity is big O of n, which is a linear time complexity. So we will see how the linear search works. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's consider this is an unsorted array where we have to find the target element 12 in the array. So as you can see, we have 12 elements in the array, and we will going to take linear search approach where we will check each index of the array, and we will check if the index value is equal to the target element or not. If it is equal to the target element, then we will return the index value. Otherwise, we will return -1. So to check each index, we know that we will use the for loop. So let's make an arrow to check the pointer value. So let's assume this arrow represents the iteration pointer of a loop. So initially it will be at 0, and we will go till size -1, which is length of array -1. So initially it will be at 0, and we will check each element. So in 0 index the target element is not present, which is not equal, so we will move to the next index. And here also we will check the same condition. If it is not equal to the target element, we will move to the next, and we will keep going until we find the target element. So it's available in index 5, so it will come here, it will say yes, the target element is available here, and it will return the index value, which is 5. So for that, let's write algorithm quickly here. So we will start from 0, and we will go till size -1. Okay, and I++. And what we are going to check here, we will check the index value of array. If it is equal to the target element, then we will return the index value. So this is the case when the target element is present in the array. When the target element is not present in the array, in that case this condition will never satisfied. So in that case, what we are going to do, we will return -1 once the loop ends. Okay, so let's consider this logic we are writing inside a method, and that method we will call from the main method, and this method will return -1 if the target element is not present. So yeah, this is very basic, and we will see how this works in the code. So let's jump to the IDE. Let's quickly create one method for linear search. Okay, this is the linear search method where the return type is int, because we are returning index value or -1. We will take 3 parameters. First is array itself, and the second is target, which we are going to find in the array, and third is size of array, that means length of the given array. So quickly just write the loop. So we are going to just copy paste this particular logic. Okay, if the target element is equal to the array index value, then we will return the index. Otherwise, we will return -1 if the target element is not present. Okay, so here array target, and size is nothing but array of length of the given array. If index is not equal to -1, that means we found the element, else element is not present, so we can display not found. target not found. Copy this, paste it here. Target is present in, here we can display the position, and instead of displaying index we will display the position, which is from 1, not from 0, because index start from 0. Yeah, that is it. So we will run the program. Let's make it 12. 12 is present in 6 position. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, 9 first position, and let's make it 19. I think 19 is not there, so it should say not found. 19 not found. So linear search is as simple as that, and you should not expect this particular algorithm in any of the interview question, because it's very basic. So yeah, that's it from this video, guys, and if you like what you saw, just hit the like button and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.